Endplays and Coups by David Bird and Tim Bourke. Problem 11. The solution is on page 36. We look at the bidding and we see that we get to 6 hearts in the south, and West has bid 3 clubs. So we're going to take West to have 7 clubs in his hand, possibly some high ones. Opening lead, 10 of clubs. So we know he's got 6 more in his hand, so we got 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Looks like East won't have many clubs. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13. Now let's see what happens here. East does have a club. So I guess since West's partner was a passed hand, he had 6 clubs. But we know that East is out of clubs now. Okay, so we're in 6 hearts. Ooh, we've got 8 trump, hoping for a 5-2 trump split. But if anybody has a 4 trump, it is likely to be East, because West has so much of his real estate tied up in clubs. So we will retain our high trump in South just in case East does have 4 trump. Well, let's run the trump and see what happens. Oh, we don't get a 4-1 split, we get a 5-1 split. So, with that in mind, we will take some high spades so that we can trump in dummy. Make use of the hand that has the short trump, since we won't need it to cover West, we just need our trump to cover East, so the South trump are important to keep. And we can run our diamonds and throw losers on them. And if he trumps in, he will have to lead, and that will be to our advantage. Here is a situation where we need to make a decision. If you lead a diamond, it's no good because East will discard his last spade, and we need to score our 7 of hearts, but East will make 2 trump tricks to defeat the slam if you do that. So instead we have to lead a trump. Now East cannot afford to, well, looks like East is going to play low, allowing us to win a trump. I don't know that East should not have done that. So let's have East do something a little smarter than that. Yeah, let's have East play to where we cannot score our 7. Yes, we're allowing us to score with our 7 just gives us the contract. So instead, we'll have him do that. And now we will go up with the king. And since we're down our hand and we want to score our trump separately as much as we can, we're going to lead a spade so that we can rough it in dummy. And there. Now we're at the position at the bottom of page 37. And there, well, we don't want to lead a club because he could trump it and wouldn't be, you can see his hand. He's got 3 trump. He will trump. So we want the ability to trump if we need to, which means we need to lead a diamond. We're not going to lead the club. So he trumps low. Well, okay, we have lost no trick so far. We can lose 1 trick. If we take this with a 7, we've got the ace. Hey, we've made our contract losing that club. So let's see what would happen if East played a different trump instead of giving us that. Okay, if he plays that one, now we can't take it with a 7, of course. Now, if we take it with the ace, we'll lose the last 2 tricks. But if we play our loser on loser, now he's got the lead. We've lost only 1 trick, and he has to lead. If he leads the jack, we take it with the ace, then the 7's good. If he leads the 4, we take it with the 7, the ace is good, of course. So he decides to lead the low one, fine with us, and making 6 hearts.